Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
The West Indies suffered an embarrassing 3-0 defeat to Bangladesh in their T20 International Series after losing the third and final match by 80 runs at the Arnorsvale ground in St. Vincent and the Grenadines on Thursday night. Electing to bat, Bangladesh first posted a competitive 189 for 7. Player of the match Zakir Ali was the main destroyer with 72 not out as he struck 6 sixes along with 3 fours. Mehdi Hassan Miraj was next best with 29 while Tanzim Hassan Sakib made 17. Romario Shepherd claimed 2 for 30 for the West Indies. Chasing 190 for victory, the West Indies were bowled out for 109 in 16.4 overs. Shepherd top scored with 33 while Johnson Charles made 23 and Nicholas Buran 15. Captain Robman Powell could only muster 2 while fellow Jamaican Brandon King went for naught. Rishad Hussain claimed a 3 for 21, while player of the series Mehdi Hassan took 2 for 13 and Taskin Ahmed 2 for 30. Powell was philosophical in defeat.
All good things must come to an end. All bad things must come to an end also. It's just disappointing that we have finished the year so badly as a T20 group. But when you look on the duration of the year, we have played some good T20 cricket, but just not for long enough periods.
Jamaica's Reggae Boys will end the year ranked at number 62 in the world following the release of the final FIFA World Rankings for the year on Thursday. They also stayed 6th in CONCACAF behind the USA, who are ranked 16th in the world, Mexico 19th, Canada 31, Panama 36th, and Costa Rica 54th. The Jamaicans, who were ranked as high as 54th in the world in 2024, also remain the number 1 Caribbean team in the rankings, with Haiti next best at number 86. Meanwhile, reigning world champions Argentina have kept top spot for a second consecutive year with no changes in the top 10. Angola were the biggest movers of the year, climbing 32 places to finish 85th. Reggae boy Ronaldo Cephas continued his rich vein of form and was on the score sheet for MKE Ankara Gucho in their 3-2 win over Menen FK in the 5th round of the Turkish Cup. Cephas, who came on as a 72nd minute substitute, scored in the 88th to put Ankara Gucho 3-1 up in the contest on his birthday. Cephas was registering his 3rd goal of the competition and 6th overall so far this season for the Turkish club. The Jamaican international, who also picked up a yellow card, could have further extended Ankara Gucho's lead in time added, but his effort was saved. LeBron James broke the record for the most minutes played in NBA history as he helped the Los Angeles Lakers beat the Sacramento Kings on Thursday night. The 39-year-old American surpassed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar when he completed his 57,447th minute on court in the 113-100 victory on Friday. James, who eclipsed Abdul-Jabbar for the NBA all-time scoring record earlier this year, scored 19 points, while teammate Austin Reeves led with 25 points. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.